Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the surprising foods you should never mix with chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients, but certain combinations can reduce their benefits. You might be surprised by some of these combinations, so stay tuned because we are about to break it all down for you. We will discuss why these pairings are not ideal and what you can do to get the most out of your chia seeds. It's all about maximizing the health benefits. Remember, it's all about making informed choices about your diet. Let's get started on this journey to get better health together. First up, let's talk about dairy products. Dairy products, especially milk and yogurt, can cause chia seeds to clump together, making them harder to digest. Consider using alternatives to dairy like almond milk, coconut milk, or even just plain water. Next up, let's talk about high fiber vegetables. These nutrient powerhouses are essential for a healthy diet. Chia seeds are already a fantastic source of fiber, packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. But combining them with high fiber veggies like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, or kale in one meal can cause digestive distress. We are talking about bloating, gas, and even constipation. Too much fiber at once can overwhelm your digestive system. The key here is moderation. Balance is crucial to avoid these uncomfortable symptoms. Enjoy chia seeds and high fiber vegetables in your diet, just not necessarily in the same meal. Spread them out to keep your digestive system happy and healthy. Now let's talk about another combination that might surprise you: nuts and chia seeds. Both chia seeds and nuts are high in fiber and fat, and consuming them in large quantities together can put a strain on your digestive system. This can lead to bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. It's best to consume them in moderation and space them out throughout the day. Next up, we have soy products and chia seeds. Soy contains phytates which can interfere with the absorption of minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium found in chia seeds. If you are relying heavily on chia seeds for these nutrients, be mindful of your soy intake. Consider spacing out your consumption of soy products and chia seeds to maximize nutrient absorption. Next is sugar. Sugar is unhealthy and should be avoided, especially when paired with chia seeds. Adding chia seeds to sugary foods like desserts, sweetened drinks, or breakfast cereals can undermine their health benefits. While chia seeds are known for their ability to help regulate blood sugar due to their fiber content, sugary foods can cause blood sugar spikes. For a natural touch of sweetness in your treats, consider using honey or maple syrup instead. Let's move on to a combination that's particularly important for those who enjoy raw eggs and chia seeds. This duo might seem like a powerhouse of nutrition, but there's a hidden interaction you should be aware of. Raw eggs contain a protein called avidin, which is known for its ability to bind biotin. Biotin, found abundantly in chia seeds, is a vital nutrient for our body. However, avidin can bind to biotin and prevent your body from absorbing it efficiently, leading to potential deficiencies. Biotin is essential for healthy hair, promoting growth and strength. It also contributes to maintaining clear, vibrant skin and strong nails, and it plays a crucial role in energy metabolism, helping you stay active and energized throughout the day. To avoid this issue, it's best to cook your eggs thoroughly. Finally, let's talk about citrus fruits and chia seeds. The acidity of citrus fruits can interfere with the gel-forming properties of chia seeds. This can make your chia seed pudding or smoothie less palatable and harder to digest. Enjoy your citrus fruits and chia seeds separately. So there you have it, 7 surprising foods you should avoid mixing with chia seeds. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more health tips. Let me know in the comments below what other health topics you would like me to cover in the future videos. Stay healthy and be happy. See you in next video.